Hi everyone, I'm Abdullah Jalal and today we are going to discuss about the move tank block in the LEGO Mindstorm software. So what does move tank block is used for in programming? So basically it is used to move the both two large motors with different speeds. So as we have in the previous video, I have told you that how to use the move steering block. In move steering block, the two both large motors are going to perform the same action, but by using the move tank block, the two both motors are going to do the same job, but will do that thing with different speed. So that's we are going to learn today, and I'm going also going to tell you that what properties does the move tank block have. So let's take an example of Lego Mindstorm robot. So if you notice that it uses two large motors, and in its programming you will see that it uses the move tank block. So it uses the move tank block to move the two both large motors with different speed, so it could move properly with moving its leg first and uh, backward. So that's how it uses the move tank block to move its feet. So there are a lot of robots that uses this kinds of block. You can check it out in the Lego Mindstorm software, and where you can see new robots, and you can also and you will also notice that they have also used a move tank block in its programming. So let's open the Lego Mindstorm software and click on Add Project. So in the previous video, we have studied about the medium motor, large motor, and move steering block. But in this video, we are going to study about the move tank block. So here's move tank block, and we are going to drag it at here. So as you can see, here are two large motors shown and a move tank icon. So you can figure out or organize this block. So it have got two basically four options. So the first two are the two large motor speeds. So at here's the large motor B speed, and at here is the large motor C speed, and next to it here's the option of rotation, that how much rotation is going to its rotate, and at the last is going to add brake at the end. And at here you can see ports B plus C. So here these are showing the ports where these two both large motors are plugged in. So its default is on for rotation. So if you on for rotation this block, it will give you two speed, and you can set it according to your choice. If you want the large motor B, which is plugged in B port, give it a space of 60, and the second large motor is going to uh, run at a speed of 30. So the two large motors are going to do the thing with different speed. So we have given the speed, and we will give it that it will rotate for five rotations. So what it will do right now is that the both two large motors are going to rotate five times, but they will rotate with a speed of difference. So the first B large motor is going to rotate five times with a speed of 30, 60 basically, and the large motor C is going to rotate five times, but it's going to rotate with a speed of 30. And next to it, here's an option on for degree. If you select this option, you will again get the same option first two, but except of rotation, you will get the option of degrees. So what does this thing do? So by using this degree option, you can rotate the both two large motors at degree. So for instance, we give it 90 degrees. So the two both large motors are going to rotate at 90 degree, but will rotate with different speed. So it's a depends on you in what degree you want, and also it got negative and positive too. For example, if I give it 50, it's positive, but if I give it negative 50, it's the negative. So it's going to rotate at its negative side. So let me put it here. But if you select this on for second option, it will give you the two both options same, but except of degree, you will get the option of on for seconds. So what does this thing do us? So by using this option, you can set the both two large motors to rotate with different speed, but till this time. So if I give it 5 seconds, so what it will do that it's going to rotate till 5 seconds with different speed. But if I select the on option, there you will get only two options. So here's for the different motors to work on speed. So what this option is going to work. So this by selecting the on option, the both two large motors are going to rotate again and again in a loop with different speed. So the first the large motor in B port is going to rotate at a speed of 60, and the large motor in the port C is going to rotate at speed of 30. But if you select the off option, the both large motors are not going to work. They will be switched off and they won't do any work. So that's how the move steering block works. And as I told you that you can use the move steering block to move the both large motors to do the same work with different speed. So by using this block, you can program your robot. Or for example, if we take uh, as an example of Mindstorm Robot, it uses the two both large motors, but they have uses the move tank block. In move tank block, they have given different properties, but the thing that they both are going to do is the same. So you can use it in your robots, or if you want to make any robot, just check it out the website of Lego Mindstorm Robot, where you can find out new robots and amazing robots, and you can use this block in it to construct or program your robot. So that's for today, and remember that in move in the previous video I have told you that move string block. So the difference between two block is that it only give you the one speed, and in the move tank block it gives you the different speed for different both two large motors. And here in move string block it gives you the direction. By using the string option, you can choose a direction to move your both two large motors. But in move tank block, you won't get the move steering block. So that is different, and the similarity is that these two blocks are used to move or work the two both large motor at the same time. So that's the difference and the similarity between these two blocks. And I hope you have liked this video. If you did, just comment down below in the description and like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.